Alright ladies, here she is, the finished product. Complete frame off rebuild on a 1993 KX 125. Complete frame off, motor, top end, bottom end, the whole 9 yards. There she is. Came out pretty good. I didn't think it would come out this good, but it came out alright. I'm pretty pleased with it. So we'll do a startup part in here in a second. Complete rebuild. I'm not a big fan of painting swing arms and stuff. We kind of had to paint this one because the condition of it was so bad. So all we did is sand it down, put a nice coat of paint on the swing arm. So, and I already had these Showa stickers, these decals, so we kind of just threw them on there. But this is oil resistant and chip resistant paint, so we'll see how long it lasts. But came out pretty good. I redid the seat cover, refurbished some of the plastics. Some of the plastics had to be replaced, like I replaced the rear fender and the front fender. The side cover was just refurbished, and I think I bought these used on eBay. These had to come from Europe. Couldn't get them in the States, but it took about a week and a half to get here. Then we have the... Alright, we'll have Danny come in and kickstart it. We've already gone through 2 heat cycles, take it up to 3rd gear, so it's just about ready to completely broken in here in a minute. So go ahead and give her a kick, Danny. This is not the first start, but probably the 2nd heat cycle. See if she fires up. 1 kick. Nice. Nice. You gotta stay on the throttle. Sounds good. Alright. I still gotta play around with the jetting a little bit. The idle a little bit to get it idle 100% crisp, but not too bad coming from a pile of parts on the side of the house to this. I think he'll be pretty pleased. I might do an update video once we donate it to the kid. Let him introduce himself and all that stuff to you. I think it's pretty good. So this is our good deed for the year. A free 1993 Kawasaki KX 125 donated free. And I got the title in my house, so I'm sure he'll enjoy it. Alright ladies. Oh, one last thing I wanted to share with everybody. These Pro Taper fatties, the pad, the grips, and the donuts, pretty nice handlebar setup. These are expensive handlebars. These Pro Tapers. Here's where I got them. These retail at $104 for the assembly. But at Cycle Gear, which is pretty much everywhere, they had them for, see that? I think it might be kind of blurry, but $39.99. From $104 to $39.99 for the handlebar setup. It's a deal we couldn't pass up. So, pretty nice.